So this is one example the how to implement the Boolean algebra functions. In this I am going to explain, take one case sheet as the fanism of movie heroes. Solution is representing in Boolean form. Here let us say A is Amitabh Bachchan, that means Amitabh Bachchan fan, B is Rajnikanth and C is Chiranjeevi. I covered all three, Hollywood and Collywood and Bollywood. So A, B, C, there are three combinations. That means definitely as per the Boolean function 2 power 3, that means 8. 8 combinations are written like this: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So here, if you, that means before going to that explanation, so 0 is nothing but A. That means he is not a, this is not a Amitabh Bachchan fan. B is 0 means he is not Amitabh Bachchan, Rajnikanth. C is 0 means that thing is not a fan of Chiranjeevi. And in this case 0 zeros, right? But if the here 1 means is a fan of Chiranjeevi. Here the one is fan of Rajnikanth. Fan of Rajnikanth and fan of Rajnikanth. That means 0 is nothing but non-fan. Non-fanism. 1 is nothing but fanism of a particular hero. So let us write how the Boolean function is will be, right? So for example, consider you. Yes, I am a fan of Chiranjeevi. That means Chiranjeevi fan means here its own level. I am fan of Chiranjeevi, and here select the combination. The person is a, not I am and the person, anyone. The person is a fan of only Chiranjeevi, not a fan of Amitabh Bachchan, and not a fan of Amitabh Bachchan, not a fan of Rajnikanth. So this is the combination is valid. That means we can consider it as a true. True means 0, means true means 1, 0 means not true, false, right? So that means how can write this function? If the person is having only fan of Chiranjeevi, then this is 0 means we can write this as A bar, and 0 means B bar, and C means 1 means C. This is the function. This function is valid for only the person is a fan of Chiranjeevi. And similarly, if any other person is a fan of Amitabh Bachchan and Rajnikanth, that means select the fan is Amitabh Bachchan and Rajnikanth. Amitabh Bachchan means fan means 1. This is one function. And Rajnikanth here is 0, Chiranjeevi is 0. So this is not valid. But if you consider this is a Amitabh Bachchan fan and the Chiranjeevi fan, no, it's not. That combination is not valid for this. And similarly, fan of Amitabh Bachchan, fan of Rajnikanth, yes. This is then function. How to write this function as this is A and this is B, and C is 0 means C bar. This is the function of another function. In the previous function, that is A bar, B bar, C is function 1. That function 1 is, or the task 1 is a fan of Chiranjeevi only, at the same time non-fan of Amitabh Bachchan and Rajnikanth. And the second second task is a fan of Amitabh Bachchan plus Rajnikanth, and at the same time is a non-fan of Chiranjeevi. That means is bar. And similarly, and another task is a fan of Amitabh Bachchan and Chiranjeevi. Amitabh Bachchan and Chiranjeevi, and Amitabh Bachchan, and at means Amitabh Bachchan means 1 and the Chiranjeevi 1. So it's true. That means A, this is B bar and this is C. So it's a function 3. And similarly, and he is a fan of all three members, Amitabh, Rajni as well as Chiranjeevi. So that means this may be suitable. This should be suitable. Not maybe, this should be suitable. 1, 2, 1, all fan. That means A, B, C. This is 4. And I want to only, and another function we can select. The person who is only the fan of Chiranjeevi and Rajnikanth. Chiranjeevi and Rajnikanth means Chiranjeevi case is 1 and Rajnikanth is 1, but at the same time Amitabh Bachchan case should be 0. That means, so this is the valid one. So this is Amitabh Bachchan A bar, and this is B, and this is F5. So I want finally the total combination of that. Total combination means total. I want full task. The task contains these combinations. So how to write? That means total function is equals to F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4 plus f5. So this is the total function. So what is the total function can be written in terms of these variables a, b, c. And now the total function is equals to f is the total function. It is a fan of only Chiranjeevi a bar, b bar, c plus a bar, b, c plus, and this is a, b bar, c plus, and this is a, b, c bar. So this is what is called the total task, total function. Thus this is the task. A simple fanism concept can be implemented by using Boolean function. This is what I am explaining task.